Imagine showing an AI a photo, asking a question about it, and hearing a spoken explanation back in seconds. That's the idea behind multimodal AI. Instead of working with just one kind of information, it can understand several at once, including text, images, audio, video, and even sensor data. Older AI systems were often built around a single task. One model handled language, another analyzed images, another processed speech. These systems could perform remarkably well on their own, but they didn't naturally connect information across different formats. Multimodal AI changes that by combining those abilities into one system. Here's the key idea. Different types of input are converted into numerical representations that a neural network can understand. A photo becomes patterns and visual features. A sentence becomes a representation of its meaning. Audio can be transformed into patterns representing speech and sound. Once these representations can interact in a shared space, the AI can compare them, connect them, and reason over them together. That's what makes multimodal AI so powerful. For example, you can upload a chart and ask, "What does this trend mean?" The AI reads the visual pattern, connects it with your question, and explains the result in plain language. Or you can upload a screenshot and ask, "What's wrong with this interface?" The model can examine the layout, understand the text on the screen, and identify design problems at the same time. The most important part is something called cross-modal understanding. The AI is not treating text, images, and audio as isolated pieces. It uses one type of information to help interpret another. That connection is what makes multimodal AI feel far more natural and useful. As these systems improve, they're moving toward AI that can see, hear, read, speak, and reason together. In simple terms, multimodal AI teaches machines to understand information through multiple channels at once, bringing AI a little closer to the way humans experience and make sense of the world. Like what you just saw? Subscribe to Learn with Whiteboard for more easy-to-understand tech lessons like this one.